Hi guys, welcome. Today on Monday, yes, new week, new puzzles. Monday, August the 14th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku, and we have here a Tectonic, aka a Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Tectonics, 1 with 4 stars and 1 with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru, in English Tectonic or Jigsaw Sudoku. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them in the evening all, not all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but let me solve these 2 puzzles first. What's the news today, by the way? Well, let's see here. The soccer competition is already started this weekend, yes. So soccer new season is started this week. Enough with the news. Let me start with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 6918. Yeah, this one is 6918. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Which number can I pick? How about 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 9. We have a 7 and 9 in this column, so no 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, then, 1 1 1 1. So we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the second, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. Well, we have here 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5, okay. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me see. The 8. Need 8 here. 1, 3, yeah. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Alright. Then. 7, need a 4 here. I'm thinking. 4, 6, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 in this row should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 6 and a 3. 6 and a 3. Come on. 3, 3, 3. And now. 7. Need a 3 here. 2. Thinking. Come on. 4, 4. Well. Need a 5 here. 5 and 8, 5. How about 8 here? 8. Come on. Where's the opening? 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. Yeah, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left. left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 6, 6. We have a pair. We have a pair. We have a 5 and a 6 in this column. We have a 5 and a 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 and 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in the third row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. No, the 5 and the 6, the 7 and the 8 is missing. Alright. So we have an 8 here. Okay. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and the 7, we have a 2 now in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. And we have a pair. The 3 and the 7 in the first row. The 3 and the 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 5 and the 6. We have a 6 now in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and 8. We have a 5 now in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finishing 13 minutes. Well. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.